Hi, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra, my channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing alright? Yeah? You sure? Alright, that's good. Okay, so I'm doing something which is the first time I'm doing it on this channel, even though it's a product I have been receiving for a while now. So what I am going to be showing you today is the Liberty London Beauty Drop. I'm not sure how to show it to you without giving you my address. This is the Liberty London Beauty Drop. This is it's not a subscription box, so I need to make that clear first of all. It's a scheme that Liberty London, so which is a very fancy, very fancy, posh, high-end department store in London. It really is for those people who they're just wealthy. I mean, we're talking proper wealth here. You know, people who shop there, they have great products in there. I mean, my daughter loves going there because of just the art that they have on display and the way how they do things. My daughter is into textiles, design, art, so she loves going there to pick up fabrics, look at the new designs and prints and that sort of thing. They've also got a cafe there which does really gorgeous food, and you know, it's just a place that my daughter loves to go to, so she goes there maybe 2-3 times a year. Right, so anyway, so that's the store. So they do this beauty drop, and basically what it is, you spend £20 a month, and every quarter, I think it's every quarter, they send you a box of just some products that they're selling within the store, and it'll be sort of like deluxe sample size of a range of products, maybe like 5 items inside the box, just to introduce you to the different brands they have inside the box. So it's actually quite cool. So it's £20. I must say though that the price has increased. So they sent me an email. Oh god, how much when did they send this email? I think it was sort of in February. They sent me this email to basically say that the price of the box is going to be changing. So whereas it used to be £20, and that's it, now it's going to be £20, but they're now given a £5, I think it's delivery fee, administration fee, so it's £25. So it's gone up to £25. The £20 you can use and get sort of 20% discount of buying products. This is the benefits of subscribing to this beauty drop. So you get 20% discount of certain beauty products, or you can use the money that you spend. So this is almost like a savings account. So the £20 I spend each month, at the end of the year I can use that money towards buying a product. So my intention is the £20 that I put across each month. So what's that, 12 times 2, that's 24, is that right? 24, so that's £240. I can use that towards my advent calendar, which I intend on buying at the end of this year, the Liberty London advent calendar, which is actually quite expensive. It's about £300 I think for the advent calendar, so I'll be using that to buy the Liberty London advent calendar, which is a really good calendar, so I'm looking forward to getting that in December. So I have got the spring box. I think it's spring summer box, but I've got this here, and that's what I'm going to show you now. So what I got in the last box, there was one product or 2 products that I got in the last box which I absolutely love. Can't afford to buy them because they're just so expensive, but it was from a hairdresser, so she's like a black hairdresser, and she does high-end products, and there was like a hair oil pomade which they put inside the box, so like a travel size of it. She does sell it, it's about £15 to buy it, and then there's the oil which she sells as well, so it's like a hair nourishing oil as well. Both of the products I absolutely love, but you know, for the small one it's £15, which is the size we've got in the box. To buy the full size is £45. I ain't paying £45 for no hair product, as much as I enjoy it. So what I did do with the products, loads of people who receive these beauty drop boxes, they put it on eBay to sell, so yeah, I just purchased a whole load of them. And that's what I use. So I think I spent about £45, but I've got about 6-7 boxes. So I've got plenty of that stuff to last me for a while. I've given 2 to my sister to use because it is such a beautiful product. It's one of the best hair pomades I've ever used. But £45? Yikes, man, it's expensive. So I'm going to show you today, anyway, the one I got. This arrived yesterday, so, and today is Wednesday, so I'm going to show you this one here. I can't remember if it's spring, summer, or if it's just spring. I literally can't remember. I've only been doing this, I haven't been doing this long, so this is my third box that I've received, so I can't remember if it's quarterly you get these boxes. I think it's quarterly. Right, so this is what it looks like. So this is just gives you an indication of what Liberty is like. They're very into prints and fabrics and stuff like that. And my daughter loves it. She, in the last box, she actually took a picture of this and then she sort of printed it. She did, I don't know, she did some stuff with it to create some artwork that she's used. I mean, she just loves it, absolutely loves it. Yeah, that's what Liberty London's like. And then got a quick little look of some of the products in there. I can already see one product, which is a brand I am very familiar with because we get it in our beauty boxes. So let me just do that one first. Okay. They should have some information about the products in here as well. Yeah, they have. Here we go. Right, so this is the first product. So it's from Philip Kingsley and it's a deep conditioning treatment. Oh, it's the elasticizer. Right, so here we go. We all know this product, but I'll read it out to you for those of you who don't know. So this is the Philip Kingsley Deluxe Elasticizer. It's 40 mils we've got here. And that's it. It's just a very good deep conditioner, which is great. How I use this, I don't use it as an after conditioner. I've used this as a pre-conditioner, so like a pre-poo. So before I go in, I sort of dampen my hair, I put this product on, leave it on for like say 15-20 minutes, and then I go in and shampoo, and it does help. It does help. So that's the first product in there. So again, a product that is not new to anybody, especially if you get subscription boxes, that is not new to anybody. Next product here is from a brand I've never seen before, which is Skin Cycles. And I know it's going to be a decent brand. It's not going to be a brand that's made just for subscription boxes. Brands in here are going to be proper brands, decent quality, probably going to cost a little bit, but you know. So this is from Skin Cycles, and it is a hydrating, collagen boosting, anti-wrinkle, lifting, hydrating sheet mask. I do love a sheet mask, so I am looking forward to trying that. So what is it saying? Skin Cycles Hydrating Biocellulized Silk Mask provides intense, nourishing and penetrating moisture. Our sheet mask uses active transportation technology to deliver liposome particles engineered for instant skin cell penetration with anti-aging benefits. Well, there you go. I'll probably use this before I go off. I've got an interview next week, so wish me luck on that. I've got a feeling I'm not going to, I don't know, I've got a feeling I'm not going to get it because, you know, I've got ears on the ground. Someone tells me there's an internal applicant, so, but, you know, they have to advertise the job out, to be fair. But there's an internal applicant, so I think I'm going to be up against them, but I'm going to give it a good go. They sent the invite to me, and the invite basically said there's going to be a scenario. Oh God, I hate that. So there's going to be a scenario, so I'm going to get 15 minutes to look at the scenario, then 15 minutes to talk about it. So they'll ask me questions, and they'll ask me to talk about the scenario, and then it's going to be half an hour for the interview. I hate those because I don't know what it's going to be. If I had a clue of what the scenario is going to be about, it would help, but yeah, so that's it. So that's next week. So I will let you know how I get on at the interview. I don't know if I get it, I'll get it. It'll be wonderful. But if I don't, then you know it's practice for, you know, for the future. But so yeah, at least my first application got in. I've got an interview, so I'm pleased about that. So I know I'm doing my applications right. Right, next product. This is from Bamford, and it's a body wash, gel douche. Again, this is another brand I've never heard of. So Bamford Geranium Body Wash. Oh, it's 50 mils. Oh, and it's geranium. I do like the fragrance of geranium. Let me have a smell. Yeah. Yep, I'm happy to get that. That's good. That's good. That's good. What I will do when I do the editing of this, I will put up the picture of the full size product and any information I can find about the product as well. I'll put it up on the screen over here, so you will get that little bit of extra information. Next, I've got, looks like we've got a perfume in the sort of typical Liberty London, again, sort of prints. Looks like it's a perfume. And it's an Eau de Perfume, Liberty Maze, LBTY. So yeah, it's a little sample perfume. Yeah, let's have a look and see. What does it say here? So it says, take a stroll through the leafy trail of Liberty heritage. Let me spray this on whilst I'm reading it. Oops. God, I've dropped it. Wait a minute. I can't bloody find it. It's dropped into my bag of what's in my trash stuff down here and I can't find it. Ah, darn. Alright, I will find it because I wanted to spray it and then smell it after I finish reading it. But it basically says here, take a stroll through the leafy trail of Liberty's heritage orchard print and meander through a picturesque artist garden. 1970s springtime. See, I like that. As you soak up this crisp and tranquil citrus scent, clusters of blossoming jasmine are revealed, while hints of solar honeysuckle pull you deep into a silver birch woodland with whispers of soft musk billowing in the sun. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Oh, typical me, just go and drop it like that. Honestly, I've got such a big bag of stuff here, I'm not going to be able to find it quickly, so apologies about that. Oh, annoy myself here. Anyway, next product, we've got a product here from, Sunday Riley, and it's the CEO Afterglow. Yeah, so it's that, there's a little pot here, it's probably what, 10 mils, if that? It's not even 10 mils, I can't read what that is, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot at all. But again, Sunday Riley is bloody expensive stuff. I think I've seen this product, full size of it, and I think it's about £40 odd for all the pots. I have had products, full size of the CEO products from Sunday Riley before. Not this particular moisturiser. And I think that the one I received was about 65 quid in sort of many of the stores. What colour is this one? Because the one I had before was like a creamy white colour. Yeah, it's not. It's a different product. This is like a deep yellow. Quite fragrant though. Okay, so again, I'll put the information about this product up on the screen. And then the final product in here is from Malin & Goet. So this is a brand we have seen before. And it's a grapefruit face cleanser. And we've got 30 mils here. So we've got plenty here. So from Malin & Goet. Yep, so there you go. So that's the products we're getting this time in this spring box. I'm calling it a spring box. Oh, they've got, look at that, more information about the products here. So you've got the Malin & Goet's Grapefruit Face Cleanser. In a nutshell, an essential addition to all skincare regimes, the Grapefruit Face Cleanser is a best-selling 3-in-1 formula from New York-based apothecary Malin & Goet's, unrivaled in its ability to effectively cleanse skin without causing dryness. This fragrant formula removes excess oil, debris and makeup with a luxurious wash of creamy foam, working to purify, tone and enhance water retention. This antioxidant-rich cleanser also provides an uplifting aromatic experience led by grapefruit extract that will transform your daily routine into an all-encompassing ritual. There you go. Let's read about the CEO one because that's what I'm interested in. Right, here we go. So this one, in a nutshell, achieves show-stopping radiance all year round with Sunday Riley's lightweight daily moisturiser that sinks into skin to deliver 24 hours of continuous hydration, infused with the brand's cult favourite vitamin C formulation, alongside a concentrated yet gentle burst of antioxidants. This supercharged gel cream works to diminish the appearance of pores, balance skin tone, and impart a natural, healthy-looking glow. That sounds good, actually. Ideal for all skin types, even oily or combination skin, thanks to its non-greasy satin skin finish. Oh, that sounds good. We've got a tip. For a brighter appearance and smoother looking pores, use this moisturiser morning and night after cleansing by applying to face, neck and décolletage. Alternatively, use this formula under makeup as a skincare primer for a smoother application and radiant finish. I'll use it as a moisturiser. Yeah, cool. Alright. And it says here, the Drop Box, driven by our shared love of beauty. The Drop is your new community, a members only club where you can access exclusive recommendations, receive expert tips and hacks straight to your inbox. So yeah, they send regular emails sort of telling us about new trends, new products, lots of tips and stuff in there, offering give offers and discounts and stuff like that. We can't wait to hear what you think. Share your favourites with us at Liberty Beauty Tea. Cool. The perfume. So yeah, the perfume. Use the spray top vial to spritz this opulent scent as designed to pulse points behind your ear, at the base of your neck, on your wrist, inside your elbow and behind your knee. I wouldn't do that behind my knee. Okay, yeah, and that's it. And again, you've got the same print on that. So that's the beauty drop. It is something I enjoy. Yes, it's £25. It's £25 for me from May, because I think they were saying that the existing members will get in a 3-month grace, and then it goes up for £25 from May. But anybody else doing it, who just signs up in the last couple of months, you'll be paying the £25 immediately. But I like it. I think it's a good little thing. The main thing for me is that I'm going to be getting that money back, which I can use towards my advent calendar come December, which is what I'm looking forward to the most. So yeah, cool. All products I will use, so I'm very happy with that. So there you go. That is the Liberty London drop box. There you go, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed the video.